Be on site anywhere in the world with full control over your tower scans, all from one place. Introducing the updated Tracerco Insights Platform. Get the right insight first time so you can react to potential issues quickly. By optimizing your process, you can reduce the risk of unit upsets and better understand your process stream efficiencies. Visualize your scanning projects virtually with upgraded dedicated reporting panels and the improved dashboard functionality. With a depth of historical data and baseline scans, examine comparisons to your desired granularity. With near real-time issue identification, your remediation decisions are significantly streamlined for time and cost saving every time. This is the power of Insight, your platform for future performance. Welcome to your improved dashboard, an overview of your global activities. Operation details are designed for easy access for when your team need answers. Navigate by site, units, towers, or job while keeping sight of changed statuses and new interactive reports. The world map drills down from location to site, then tower, effortlessly, always keeping you informed and in control. Zoom into data with confidence. The dynamically adaptive view gives clarity at every level. Toggle scan lines and look back in time with historical data. Spot trends, diagnose problems, and analyze performance over a tower's life. Jump to attention areas using the saved links and consume critical data with a click. Fast, secure, convenient. All digital reports are portal accessible, so you know where your data is, no matter where you are. Optimize your tower performance with real-time insight from the new live scan feature, coupled with process capture improvements to our established Tru-Scan technology. Need further guidance? Engage our remote team of world-leading data experts, now even mid-scan, for quicker critical analysis, and to get your questions answered in real time so you can make vital decisions with confidence. Save your conversations for future reference. This is the Insights platform from Tracerco. Avoid hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost production. Optimize your operation today.